Hi students, today we will discuss a problem on WAVY curve method which is given in JEE Mains exam 2023. Now coming to the question, if x minus 3 whole power minus mod x by x root over x minus 4 whole square into 17 minus x whole divided by root over minus x, just focus on that root over minus x into a quadratic equation minus x square plus x minus 1 into mod x minus 32. Now, mainly we have to focus on root over minus x. So, in this complete inequality, the main important thing is root over minus x. This root over minus x is exist only when x less than 0. Because of x less than 0, minus x will be greater than 0, then only root will exist. So, it is very clear that in this problem, the main important thing is x is always less than 0. Now move on to the step by step. Now coming to the next part of this is, and x is less than 0, a root over minus x, anyway a root over minus x is always positive because of root will gives only positive quantities, right? Because of x not equal to 0, root over minus x is also not equal to 0, right? And now coming to the second part of this question is x minus 3 whole power minus mod x by x. Now focus on this term. Now because of x less than 0, then in case of x less than 0, mod x is equals to minus x. So that we can rewrite this like x minus 3 whole power minus of minus x by x. So that is what, plus x, which will gives x minus 3, right? So what we'll get finally is x minus 3, and anyway x less than 0, so x minus 3 is less than minus 3, which means what, x minus 3 is a negative quantity. Focus on this is x minus 3 whole power minus mod x by x is less than 0. Because of x minus 3 is less than minus 3, it is also a negative quantity. Now move on to the next part of this question is root over x minus 4 whole square. As we discussed already, because of x is negative quantity, x minus 4 is also a negative quantity, but whole square will gives the positive. But root over x minus 4 whole square is always greater than 0, right? So there is no problem in this. Root over x minus 4 is always greater than 0. Now 17 minus x. Coming to this, because of x is less than 0, minus x is always greater than 0. Just add 17. The 17 minus x is greater than 17. So it is very clear that 17 minus x is positive, right? Not is greater than 0. It is positive. It is positive, right? Now coming to this quadratic, what is present in this question is minus x square plus x minus 1. Let us say it is, for suppose y, minus x square plus x minus 1. And here the coefficient of x square is negative, so that curve will be completely lies like it is an upper curve, not lower curve. Parabola will be like this because of minus x square plus x minus 1. X square coefficient is negative. And what about b square minus 4ac? Here in this b square minus 4ac, that is what, 1 minus 4 into minus 1 into minus 1. So that it is 1 minus 4 minus 3. It is less than 0. And clearly a less than 0, discriminant is also less than 0. So if you observe the graphical approach, then the curve completely lies below the x-axis. Curve completely lies below the x-axis, which means what, this is completely negative, right? So minus x square plus x minus 1 is completely negative. It is what, negative. Now move on to the question. See, one by one. X minus 3 whole power minus mod x by x is what, negative, and root over x minus 4 whole square is positive, and 17 minus x. Now we'll discuss one by one. This in this x minus 3 whole power minus mod x by x, which is what, negative, right? First one is a negative. Now The second term in present this is root over x minus 4 whole square, which is what? Positive. And next one present in the question 17 minus x, because of x a negative. 17 minus x is always positive, so that is what? Positive divided by. Now the starting term in the denominator is negative, so root over minus x is what? Positive only, and the curve negative, and the present the last value is mod x minus 32. It has to be less than 0, right? Now in this question, so negative but positive times of positive is was positive only, the numerator is negative, and here also denominator is also negative. Negative upon negative positive, then we just want mod x minus 32, right? Because of x less than 0, clearly mod x is what? Minus x only. Now clearly, so that negative in the numerator, negative in the denominator will become positive, so that we want we have to make that 1 by mod x minus 32 should be less than 0. This is the final condition. So that is what? 1 by mod x minus 32 less than 0. Mod x is what? Minus x only. So that if you multiply with minus, 1 by x plus 32 is greater than 0, which means what? If you multiply with x plus 32, x plus 32 by x plus 32 whole square is greater than 0. And anyway, x plus 32 whole square is positive, so that we want x plus 32 is greater than 0, so that this complete inequality will become negative, right? In case of x plus 32 greater than 0, we can say that x greater than minus 32, which means x belongs to open interval of minus 32 comma infinity. But in this question we have considered the first value is x less than 0, which means what? By using these two, by intersecting these two, what we'll get is x belongs to open interval of minus 32 comma 0. In between minus 32 0, then we will have the integers from minus 31 minus 30, like that, number of integers, like in that interval is what? 31. Thank you.